Croylands Cottages ebwebajja ku Entebbe Road kyekifo ekituukana n'omutindo gw'ensangi zino eri gwe wawangaalira mu Uganda n'oyo eyakava ebweru w'eggwanga ng'anoonya wakuwummulira. Tulina rooms enjoyoota obulungi, tulina DSTV ne Netflix kw'oteeka ne wifi ey'obwereere, parking nga ziddala ate nga security gulugulu, ekifo kiyonjo okuzaama so nga kiri kumpi n'ekkubo. Tulina n'entambula enoona bakiransi baffe Entebbe ku kisaawe. Croylands Cottages kyekifo gy'olina okutwala omwagalwawo ne mufuna akadde akalungi nga tewali abataataaganya. Tuli bwebajja mu maaso ga Ruby's Petrol Station. Bookinga ku noti 7.8 258 299.
It's older. It's like almost 300 years old. So Hennessy, Moet. It's the LVMH group. So Louis Vuitton, Moet, Hennessy. LVMH. So Moet, the champagne, Hennessy, and then Louis Vuitton, the clothing from France.
Okay, Linda, composing.
No.
It's Moet. Not Moet or Mawet.
Yeah, Moet.
Moet.
Yes.
So the T is silent.
What is Shafiq Warukagasi?
Moet.
Mawet.
You know Shafiq?
Yes.
What is his name?
Fik Fameka.
Beside the Abanyazi Mawet.
Yes.
Baby Bakowe Mawet.
That's how we say it.
So it's Moet.
Yes, but Mawet I like better.
One Moet. Vampire Moet. I've also learned it today. It's called Moet. I say Moet.
Bobera watunamalira shonga bingi byoyizi. Okuyiga
just whatever comes across.
Just take. Learning is endless.
Agreed.
As a result, we have a tummy.
But nedda olina okuwa boss ekitiibwa si kumuyisaamu gaali every now and then.
Platinum Wellness Spa offers therapeutic massage services complimentary with sauna and steam bath for your full body cleansing. You can now get a Swedish massage, hot stones, sport massage, aromatherapy, salt ability hot stone therapy, Moroccan bath hammam, jacuzzi, and many more therapeutic massage varieties. We are located along Lukuli Road near Teletubbies Primary School, off Rumala Access, Kongebuziga. Call us on 0708 842 821. Platinum Wellness Spa, here to take care of you.
Alright, I am with a legend, Navio. Yeah, so I think they never heard me when I spoke the first time I came as a messenger, as part 2 of Gulliver's Travels. With a dragon glass dagger, I will slay the hands in the cookie jam with Oliver Wakuba Dabo. The mission is clear, never settle for the usual. For you to know the mission that we share, you would have to be a mutual. But you would rather be and stay silent on the party. Yo, waka waka no wait agabamboa. True to know. Spears to the front when we hear sirens coming and never backing down from a fight. It's become clear to me that we have more than a baker's dozen of foes hiding in the plain sight. So when the horn blows, ready for clone wars, you know how the game goes, Sagala to where we go. But then I start to think, Makateyo Motulo, for whom the bell tolls, me or Navio. And then I wake up and look around and all my radar see my side dish. I think I need a break and a vacation from my 9 bitches. They cry for me 1999, Jordan C. Broken pulses on my brain, organ back to my missus. Yeah. Admiration turned into a sour taste of vanity. I open up the box, I pop and I pack to charity and pop the pad, Papa packed inside the pot of nourishment. I got my doubts about the future for this undertaking, but there is power in being the one that's underrated. So while your hand is on the mic, musical masturbation, pass it back to those who master rap to change the congregation. Sure.
Hey! Chacho!
Is the real one?
Yeah?
He's a real one.
I thought you were going to counter him.
Man, I thought about it then and you said, let me keep my career, man. No, yo,
Very kind.
man, no, mad one. Hey, the Bakers doesn't pay us crazy as well.
Thank you.
Crazy, they're finishing up.
Mukama achaganye bugani.
Mukasoga bachi.
Mukama acha mukotogezi na yenga. Tali bubi nnyo nga bwe mbadde nsuubira.
Yeah?
Tali bubi nnyo.
Okay, tukole bannaye, tukole. Romano, ebifaananyi ebya byekubye edda. Tukole bat tugende. Edi aliwa? Mukasa.
Nah, I feel like
Get up, man.
Let me save.
Ekyo kyobadde oyagala
This time I
obedda.
lost my voice. I feel like rapping. Are going to be in there? I think it's just you guys. I think it should just be you guys talking.
Kati ono agenda kukola gadgets. He's bringing out gadgets. You want to leave?
No. I mean, I was just thinking with you guys.
Jenkins, please come.
Because you have your dice in here, you know. But when I'm also there, it's like I'm overseeing it.
No, don't mind.
So,
Be fair.
but for making us look short.
Yeah.
mutuule
We honestly look short. I told you watch.
wakati kolina olubuto olulina ate oli mumpi
Kati gwe olubuto lw'olutini.
nenze
Is this
ndi
stomach
muwanvu
small?
nenze ndi muwanvu
Listen them to these actually. You smoke? What
tera tulukutoola
Kati ate waliwo kimpi June ye tajjidde ddala. Tasobodde kujjira ddala. Naye omwana omuwulidde oluzungu.
katonda
Anti kyebalayo okubuuza kiyega tebamukuba abakyaluzungu
waliwo abantu katonda agaana paka lwamuyita
Awo mwana muleke. Ajja yita omukasa always negative about
nanze
everything.
njogera mazima
No. Give people support.
kyokka buli arapinga avayo ng'atukubye alawo
uli fajja
Vaayo sooka oveeyo tukola. Anti vaayo. Tusooke tumalirize. Banna.
mukola
Abantu bakunnyonnyola
wayima naye
bunnyonnyola.
atawaana
Do you understand the
Nazo
word
kiriwo.
Wayima? You know what it means, yes.
ebyekisimu buli omu byasooka okuyiga
To be what? To be...
ayiri video izihaye
Neka tukugambye tushutinga era oyitawo. Oli muyita mu
ati
kamera.
oyogedde ekigambo ekiwemula ne mukasazaamu
oyo mwana bluetooth naye mutawaana
Windows. So anyway, we are with the Navio. Tugenda live in concert. Naye Navio. Onootuddamu bye twalaba luli ku njogereza.
It's going to be.
Njogereza twali ku all expenses paid.
ne kooli suuna engeri gye munaye gyakwatamu eki
Suuna.
kijja kuba kirala nnyo
Ate olira omuli w'emmere. Musuna is international. What sort of rubbish is this man trading?
International level. Jenkins.
Eh?
Leila nkwasa kunanga owulira ekinyusi.
Kati mosika tumale. Namwe bamukyangala namubeera mulala. Tuli mu interview tulaga otubulaga amabeere.
naye
Nze mpise Jenkins.
wefulidde akayimba akapya akali pastor you man you help that man to sing the song properly
That guy is son. He really sang.
unusually very different
Yeah, but it was pastor. It was in him the whole time. I think.
And how did you connect? Are you, because you're not
I went-
really, are you a church goer?
I went to church.
You went.
So when he went to church, he called me in the front. He said, Navio, sing us a gospel song. I couldn't think of even one. So I said, this is too much. So the next week I said, let's go to studio and make one, because this was
but even the
I
producer
felt bad. I was like,
the producer did a very
yeah, very good job. Yeah.
different sound
Mio made, big up.
how old is Mio
Amazing.
Made?
Yeah, now those.com. 27, like Roman.
But that one none of them are using it but that one is serious
Yeah, no, he's very serious. He did that. He done songs Nkwagalomu with King Saha.
yes
Nkwagala Omu was a big jam. I remember we met when you just released that song, but you have not called me again since. You have called me.
Yeah, I called you.
You have called me.
Yeah,
Called me.
yeah.
nefuna
For Sheraton Gardens, 2nd September. Love your life. Live in concert.
But this guy is a negative. They are feeling bad that you called me.
every time you
Hey.
call him
No, you
he
should
forgets.
be you just
He
in
should
somewhere,
register
noting,
somewhere.
okay? So that he doesn't
So that he
forget that
doesn't
he has
forget
already
that he
been
ate your
there.
food.
You
Keep
go through
eating
your
Who I said I eat his food?
You ate food at 7. We are still
Was it
battling with the cheek.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know that man.
Food. Did you hear of that
Food is
story?
for everybody knows.
So now this is
What did you do this time?
There's a guy called Sweet She.
A Sheila Gashomba. I
Ah,
took him for lunch. And
And she threw it in my
overate.
face. She said, I bought you lunch.
Because it was for
The guy even asked for pudding, which he didn't need.
Wow. Dessert plus pudding.
Pudding, yogurt, what?
As a pudding, what are you guys have pudding? You pudding.
Pudding.
he ate more than required.
You pudding.
But did you see the video?
No.
You've not seen Sweet She's video?
No.
He's distributing them by If he has your number, he's going to send you.
Yeah, cool.
Please send it.
Of you at the time of.
No. Can you be munyonyori ati munaibyo ndabona mu bibaye?
Yeah, I get the whole pictures now.
Naye yabifunye. Ayina kwanga yabirabye.
Nabya ina mukyala we mukyala serious abatayagala bintu. Ayi mukyala we mutyanze.
Omutyako ki?
Mukyala she's too serious.
It's quite serious.
Hey, you cannot just come and joke anyhow. You can't galavant everywhere.
Why are you speaking all that English?
Garavant, pudding. Those are two. Pudding.
Garavant.
What is it? Garavant.
Hey. Anyway, but we are going 20 years. It's been quite a journey.
Yeah.
Now, have you ever been a young boy?
Me?
Because from the day I saw you, apart from the beard.
I'm a dreadlocks.
Yali kato namulabira ku Sabrina yali kato ddala.
Yakuba for Sabrina no.
Yali 14 oba.
Yeah, B and H.
Hey,
That was.
big.
Give us a chance.
Is the Hope coming for the show?
Yes.
Hope Mukasa.
Definitely.
Wali.
Yeah.
Guest of honor.
Yeah.
Near
I'm the one
Mama.
who made this one.
Near Dr. Chikozi Wali.
Ekitegeeza Navio ffe twali tutyamutte. Baba yakuba ku Sabrina.
Naye banga nasirevuza yabuli.
Ngera tokikola
Olikutera wasalira ennyo ensawo.
abaana bajja kasala mu TikTok. Navio kandi bano bakasala mu TikTok, it's on you.
But you're here. You changed your life. We're happy to report.
Hey, fuck with
So we're showing the change.
The stories we hear about Sabrina is like for these local artists of ours. So to imagine that you were also there.
There were some serious ones
By the way, to try to say what you call the launch. We usually call it the launch in Uganda. Because we did our launch, instead of the 50 people and just press, now thousands came. So now we started all being like, Kankule launch. Really, that should have been.
It began with you.
Yeah, because we used to do a launch. Same thing happened on our rooftop, where they used to have the venue. The other city, we said, just do a launch. Supposed to be a small cocktail.
Then people
Packed up, police even came, shut us down. So that's when they were like, hey, launch is a launch concert.
Yeah.
That's when they all, that's how the word launch started.
Kitegeeza obadde ku ground.
ate ng'asindika yenjawulo emulimu.
That's 99 you were here.
Ate abapapito bonna baakowa. Naye yakolaga
Where
akyakira.
is the young maid?
Banking, I think. Yeah, it's in the bank. He's at the law firm.
Enigma is so good.
Yeah, we're very strong.
So good.
Yeah, not
Yogera
Navio
oluzungu
good,
nga
but-
bw'olwogera.
Not Navio good,
Oleka
but-
kole
No,
that's
you're
right.
They're all dog, they're all dog.
But chokyusa lulimi.
We're
Weeyogezanga. Ndowooza owulira ebyekisiru byatandise. Mwe musinza tuleetera obuzibu. Kati amangu ago mu Navio mu America waawa.
Oh no, is the biggest East African rapper. Most consistent of all time. At which America
Ogambye biggest
Hey.
East African rapper
Most awarded.
of all time.
Yes.
Baadhi ebigambo asula kimu representing.
He has done what? Kagambako koogere bulungi kajja kumenyamu.
Pudding.
Sustained.
Sustained in
Galavant.
Galavant. As a conglomerate. Galavant. These people are pretending to be like us. They're pretending.
Yeah, but it's been quite a journey. 20 years.
Yeah.
I think from all the songs you've done in those 20 years, I like Ngalo most. Then I like that song you have with Saha. Kwagalom. It's really. But how you were able to move then to Njogereza?
Yeah.
You know, we didn't see that coming.
Yeah. Well, you know, as with a name like Ruvama, we all have a judge. When you have a name like Ruvama, you know what's being played at the weddings, you know what's being played, or, you know, those records, the old school records. I think they are with all of us.
And how did you catch up with the percussion discussion?
Percussion discussion, that was also very good because we went on tour with Sewanyana.
Oh yeah.
Yes. So us Sewanyana from our Frigo band, I should call him Sa, and Herbert Chinomi. So we all did a tour around Africa, Zimbabwe, all the way Burkina Faso, Accra. We did a tour with percussion discussion. Then we did the album Clear Discussion, which was percussion discussion. And Clear Cut. That one got actually a Cora nomination, best album, best song for our song that we did there. So yeah, that was 2004. I want to say
2004.
Yeah.
You were moving Accra, Namibia.
Yeah. Wow. That's why when people tell me I'm doing a show in Entebbe, I even get, I'm like, man, with your young energy, youth of today,
Why do you want
Romani
to do
MC,
Entebbe?
with your youth of
Here, near.
today, go to Accra, go to Morocco. Go,
But you're still doing. I saw you at Nas. Nas is what? It's called? Nas is that thing Hennessy sponsored.
Yes.
You're not doing JW anymore.
No.
You stopped, eh?
Contract, yeah, go
Because I saw you at Hennessy and I'm like,
Yes. No. Hennessy ambassador. I was actually Hennessy ambassador even 6 years ago.
You're now Hennessy ambassador again.
Yes.
Hennessy suwa Diageo. Suwa UBL one.
So at the end,
competitor wa JW.
Hennessy is it's older. It's like almost 300 years old. So Hennessy, Moet, it's an LVMH group. So Louis Vuitton, Moet, Hennessy, LVMH. So Moet, the champagne, Hennessy, and then Louis Vuitton, the clothing from France.
okay, Linda composing.
No.
It's Moet, not Moet or Mawet.
Yeah, Moet.
Moet.
Yes.
So the T is silent.
What is
Yes.
Shafiq Warukagasi?
Moet.
Mawet.
You know Shafiq?
Yes.
What is his name?
Fik Fameka.
He said abanyazi maweti.
Yes.
Baby bakowe Mawet.
That's how we say it.
So it's Moet.
Yes, but Maweti I like better.
Oba Moet. Vampeyo Moet. I've also learned it today. It's called Moet. I used to say Moet.
Bobera wetunamalira show nga bingi byoyizi. Okuyiga tekukoma.
Just whatever
Okuyiga
comes across.
tekukoma.
Just takes.
Learning is endless.
Agreed.
As a result, we have a time.
Nedda olina okuwa boss ekitiibwa si kumuyisaamu gaali every now and
The young men of today.
okiraba kimbibiri ng'ali ku lubuto diaphragm weerigandira no mbadde nina abantu aba neetaaga baweere but I'll catch it on Kasuku Live.
All right. It's 20 years. When you're rushing, you're going somewhere.
Buno bwaweddeyo bawakoze kakokokka.
By the way, we're the same size. Yes, 20 years of
You are the
Navio.
same?
Yeah. You're the same what?
We were the same size.
Fena tuli bawanvu.
Ekyo Navio ekyokola bakiyita political correctness.
Ono Navio ategeera aye tuvuddewa tumetoka mbali sana.
My first million in town. He gave first million ever paid to an artist in Uganda was from him to me. But we're old money in this town.
That's what I'm saying.
Jenkins paid you your first 1M at Benson and Hedges.
Listen.
Tezaali zange ezaali za kitongole naye nga ze representa.
Nga gwogaba.
Esanga okirowooza nnyo nti nakwata wano mu kisawo.
Ate abantu bwe tubagamba nti respect, maximum respect, tebaagala gibawa.
Ate kati onoobakwata gundi lulago.
But Mukasa webaleka clarification. Kuba ekigambo kyo kya Mukasa from his own pocket to somebody.
Tekitera kubaawo.
Kisobola okusparking a third world.
Era kibeere munnyo.
So, luyima ki olwanavyo lwosinga okwagala in the 20 years? I had a dream. Right, a dream.
So tuyimbira mu chorus.
Weefula sophisticated.
Lwaki ojjayo nyimba nkambwe?
Yeefula sophisticated.
Then
you sang that thing. Yakayimba ye mwennyini.
Oh no. It was Charles.
Wayimba
Charles
kangwa.
and Frida. So
Kuchirukano ni dude.
Njogereza.
Njogeza yo.
Tumunonye.
And Woli.
Jenkins osubiriza kintu kya leero.
Oloze mutegera
Ojja kiyuza naye.
Wali wasalira ensawo nze ngambera n'ono.
Also, Buguma, Lambula. Kasuku
From rags to riches.
Babadde banyumya ebyekisiru wano. Kati abinsibyeko. Gwe kati oluyimba kyolwa Navio lw'osinga okwagala.
Oli. Olw'empuliddawo.
Pastor Wilson Bugembe, Navio, brand new.
Era lwengendo siibako olunaku olwaleero.
Oli ku balcony waggulu.
But are you a fan of Ugandan music?
Olira bwakanyugamu bw'aleetaleeta ebyenjawulo naye Navio olowooza n'omukuba oluseke n'akukkiriza. Navio bw'aba akwagala akkubira n'akunoonya taliiko gwe mukubira. Navio alinga Juliana. Juliana bw'aba akwagala akunoonya n'akulaba. Gwe bw'oba omwagala essimu oyinza ogifiirako n'okakasa.
I want to give him his credit.
His flowers.
I have never called him and he doesn't pick.
Anti kati because
When he doesn't pick,
kati but
he has the courtesy to call back. Juliana mukwano gwange awo tomuteeka. Bw'oyogera ku by'essimu, communication skills. Juliana ne Navio nedda.
Nange gyo ate naye bambi musaasire ku mbeera eyo. Ekibatu kyamutama.
Abantu bamusaba n'akoowa. Even the unexpected. Aba ali awo agenda balesendi patiya. This one calling Juliana. You can win it for a drink. Juliana n'agamba ate ne sendi. Kinaakoma wa.
Bwe nali nkubiddeko akubuliro oba nali mukubiddeko can we meet for a drink?
Anti ono musajja. Unless you're gay.
You have spent 20 what?
40. Mukasa.
But right now they are 30 years
Of working experience. By the way, that's less. Museveni yali awamba. Sinankola.
Guys are speechless.
Yeah, because a lot of them were not yet one.
Anze Museveni yawambira naye sinatandika kukola kintu kyonna. Okujjako kuba ddulu wali ku Right tukuba ne Kid Fox. Kid Fox yakutula mabo yange njagimula.
Did you ever do?
Yali akubisa.
But then we may have the wrong perception, Navio, of me. Yeah, they say you're rich person's son. But you seem so normal. The things we did, you did.
Ati akaba mutegeera alina mukulu we
We
Fred.
only got rich recently.
Ono alina mukulu we Fred. Ati walaba Fred. Ati walaba Fred. Ono awanyo Fred respect. Naate bwolaba Fred otegeera nti ono nomo person. Kuba ate Fred ndomo nnyo. Naye nga tona mwa respect omanya ati
Kuba Navio baba yakuba ddu.
emizannyo gy'abaana gye bazannya.
Enjawulo ya Navio. Enjawulo ya Navio n'owuwa munfuufu. Ono teyali wa munfuufu. Owuwo yali wa munfuufu.
Ani akubikubuuzizza? Ani abikubuuzizza ebyo byonna?
Katende sirinnya lya byamizannyo.
Awa Abdul nga n'atamanyi akuba.
Naye kati bano baali mu ggogolo.
Baateko bbanga yavuga ne ku bbanga.
Omanyi bwe ekibuli awo tewakyali palm trees. Anti babijjanga ebigogo ne bakugologogo.
Ne beesangula.
Oba kino ekigundi kipamu
Otuula okuvuga ggogolo.
okikutulayo bwoti n'oteeka wansi n'oyiringita paka ku police training eri
Everything. From Muchaka to the.
Naye teri kiyuza mpale nga ggogolo.
The whole of Luwama.
Anyway, 20 years of Navio is coming up next Saturday, 2nd.
Kampala Sheraton Hotel.
So your boy, it's your boy.
It's your boy. September 2nd. Sheraton Gardens. 20 years of Navio Luwama. Daniel Ekiboozi. Live alongside the gang.
The gang.
If you guys
abasatu balina okugula omuddo
don't talk with pictures last minute.
omanyi okukola ebintu ebyo ono yaŋŋamba ye agenda kuba lugogo
Ani.
ono
Ka tiketi yaffe gizzi. Ono alimba, mukasa bwatyo. Mukasa okuba bbaati.
yaŋŋamba ye ati pulayingiddwa lugogo bweriyo okwepica
kati asubirayo obuwala naye kati ffeno tugenda mu buli obuwala obwogera oluzungu premium ladies
obagambe tebatunulira batunule even elsewhere
like socialism.
Even the shadow colored people like this one.
Shadow colored
black.
Kale tugawana